Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. I'm here to tell you guys we're going on another adventure. If you guys seen the title and the thumbnail, I'm guessing you guys already know where we're going, so I'm not gonna tell you guys. I've done my makeup. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I did my lashes and my new nails. Wait, I'm trying to get it to focus. My new nails. My fit. Ignore the mattress. We just left it here for guests to stay over. This is my fit. I'm wearing simple and comfy outfits for today's travel because we're gonna be moving a lot. My suitcase already packed. I'm using my pink suitcase as usual. I'll see you guys at the airport. The airport is so cold. We've arrived in KL for a layover. We're supposed to be in KL for around an hour, but I think our flight was delayed. So we're stuck in KL for around 4 hours. We're looking for the restaurant area. Found the food court. They have massage chair stations.
Will all passengers please proceed to the pleasure hall?
We're still looking around for where to eat because there's not a lot of choices. I'm at a bookstore and look at what I found. Dork Diaries. This is like this and Jeremy Sullivan series. Ooh, Jeremy Sullivan. They're like my childhood. We're boarding. Next destination, Phuket. Arrive in Phuket. We're going to pick up our luggage. Golf garden. The kids club got slides and Xbox or PS. Aqua bar. Welcome drink. The gym is upstairs. The first bathroom, access to the first twin room. The luggage, the kitchen. They get a fridge with stuff in them. The counter, the living room, the dining table is super huge. They got welcome towels. Don't look at me, I'm scuffed. The living room with a pulled out sofa bed. The view outside. Straight to the kids pool. Kind of creepy, but oh well. And the access to the balcony. It sucked. The balcony with the view to the whole pool. Let's go back in. The bedroom, the main bedroom. A king size bed and my favorite part of the room. The his and her bathroom. The toilet, the two mirrors, the huge bathtub, and the shower. I'm not even sure where we are, but we just finished dinner and we're walking around to digest. And then I'm planning on going to the gym when we're back at the hotel, but we'll see. We're shopping around. We're looking for sandals for me, but we still haven't found one that I like. Burger King collaboration with Naruto. Seems interesting. I got this because of TikTok. So I'm gonna try them for tomorrow's breakfast and I'll let you guys know if it's worth buying. Got BT21 lace. Like, bro, you're so cute. Going to the gym. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Or next time, I guess. Wrapped on time. It's wrapped with two plastics, which is bad for the environment. So I'm kind of disappointed, but it's healthy. I'm wearing this on my hair while I'm soaking. I've heard that it works wonders, so I'm trusting TikTok in this one. Time to dip. They got a Hello Kitty charm. It's so cute.